Ooh, what's going on, guys? It's Bass Bros TV. Today we're gonna go catch some bean babies. Here's Andy P.
I am the Godfather.
And here's Drew, the real bros. Here's the kitchen of the house.
Look.
Here's our GoPro. You can get some underwater footage. What are you doing, Andy? Here's the bathroom. Tiny bathroom, but we're only staying here for a few days, so it's fine. Here's Drew's shitty ass room. And actually, this is where me and Andy stay the past few days. There's a bay out there, salt water, but you know, there's no fish in there, so I'm gonna go try and find a drink because I'm fucking thirsty. Let's see what we got. We got some beers. A little too early for that, so I'm gonna go with the Powerade.
Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take it here. Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take it here. Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take it here. Feeling like 2 a.m. summer night.
What do you got? What's up? Where are we right now? $2 bill.
The band, like ice at the top of my lungs.
Heading over to Rennie's to get a couple things, then we're gonna head out and go fishing.
Goggles, $9.
Oh,
Or no, $6.
Oh, $5.
$5 right there.
These are huge.
There we go.
On a cop.
We arrived at a little convenience store on the way to the ranch. Apparently there's fishing stuff here. Oh, here's some fishing stuff. We're definitely using Gary's today.
This video is sponsored by Gary's, boys.
Yep. Expensive by the year. But you know, it's worth it.
Arrived at the fishing spot. Arrived at the fishing spot. Here it is.
How do you close this? So hot, dude.
It's so hot. It's like 90 degrees.
Give me the
People are jumping.
Hand me the vlog. Okay, boys, you see this right here? GX2? Y'all gotta get one. Don't get that trash. Cole has. Never catches anything. No, I'm just kidding. This kid catches lunkers like once a month.
So it's about 95 degrees. We're gonna be throwing the Senko today. Gary Yamamoto, obviously. And I'll show you, it's a little ranch. Nice one. Here. Nice fish, kid. Alright, here. Lip that thing. Yeah, lip.
So, some ding dong decided to put their gum in the grass. Of course, I step on it. Still, only one fish caught.
Hey guys, it was noontime. It was like 95 degrees. That's probably why we didn't catch much. I mean, Andy caught a fish. Good job, Andy.
Thank you.
But we're gonna go back in because we're gonna go eat at our sponsored restaurant, Romeo's. That was good. Just walked out of our sponsorship, Romeo's. Now we're heading to do some more fishing.
Oh. Yeah. One sit. I got it.
This is a big size. This is a big size. This is a big size.
First cast of right now.
First.
That's a big one, boys.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Lunky, baby. Look at that thing.
Let's go.
Boom. Right on the,
Nice.
Look at that largemouth. That
Let's
is a
go.
bean, baby.
Let's go.
Catch and release. We'll
Okay.
catch and release. I love it. Oh, my God. Nice little peacock bass on a deep diver.
Look at the young fishermen. Hard at work. Casting out their Gary Yamamoto's. Fuck. Yeah? What? Oh, we were fishing.
Sorry.
Should we leave?
Yeah, we should leave.
Want to do some fishing?
Yeah.
All you gotta do is ask.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay, we're good. Everything's cool. Want to do some fishing?
Yeah.
Are we allowed
All right, you guys. Yeah, but are you guys from around here? What's the deal?
yeah, my friend lives like.
He lives down, like, in the middle of the town.
All right,
Nice guy.
we're good.
Sorry.
No, we're good.
All right,
We're
thank
good.
you.
That's all right.